A computer system outage is causing delays at CVG and airports around the country. United, Delta, JetBlue, and Southwest Airlines are all running behind on the busiest travel day of the week. Officials say there was a problem with an Aero data program. It's a computer system that helps airlines with weight, balance, clearance, and takeoff information. Not On Your Side has been told the system has now been rebooted. Jay Radliff, an aviation analyst for CVG, says even though the system is back up, travelers can expect major delays today.
We're seeing more and more reliance on technology. Unfortunately, the system itself has been kind of patched together, if you will, over the years, and as a result, it's very easy many times for these systems to go down.
Well, he tells us that you should check with your airline for any delays. He says the worst thing you can do is call, and it's much faster to reach out to them on social media. He also says the airlines are still investigating how all of this happened. And here's a live look at the arrivals and departures board at CVG right now. Nearly 24 flights through the start of the noon hour have been delayed arriving into the area. There are a few handful of flights leaving CVG that are showing up as delayed as well. As we mentioned, if you have plans to fly today, make sure you check with the airline before you head to CVG.